Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now we see example 1. In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC and AD by DB is equal to 3 by 5. AC is equal to 5.6 centimeter. Find AE. So here let us consider a triangle ABC. Label it as ABC, in which DE is parallel to BC. So let us draw a parallel line. Name it as DE. DE is parallel to BC. Here you see these arrow marks, they indicate that these two are parallel. DE is parallel to BC. Now here AD by DB is equal to 3 by 5. This is AD, let us take here 3, and this is DB, we can take it as 5. So AD by DB is 3 by 5. AC is 5.6. See, from A to C, the length of the side AC, that is 5.6 centimeter. Then find AE. Let us take this part AE as X. Now we have to find X here. Let us start solving this problem. In triangle ABC, since DE parallel to BC, since DE is parallel to BC, here we need to remember that when the conditional parallel comes, when the lines are parallel, then ratios are equal. So remember, parallel implies ratio. This is based on BPT theorem, basic proportionality theorem. So here we can write, since DE parallel to BC, we need to enter into the ratios. So here we can write, by BPT, basic proportionality theorem, the ratios, corresponding ratios are equal. Here you observe, in general, when BPT theorem comes, we take this ratio as AD by DB. Actually here we take AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. AE by EC. Right? Let us do here reciprocal. Then what happens here? DB by AD is equal to EC by AE. When we reciprocal both the sides, then automatically these fractions will be reversed. Means numerator becomes denominator, denominator becomes numerator, both the sides. Now here let us add 1 both the sides. So add 1 and add 1, both for LHS and RHS. So here AD is the LCM. Then it will be DB plus 1 into AD is AD by, here AD is the LCM. Same application, let us apply the same process right side. Here AE is the LCM, then it becomes EC plus AE 1 jar, AE by AE. Now you see here, DB plus AD, DB plus AD, nothing but AB. So we can write it as AB by AD is equal to, same way, EC plus AE becomes AC. So AC by AE. Right? So here by using BPT, not only AD by DB equal to AE by EC, but also we can take the corresponding sides. Means here you observe AB by AD. Right side also we should take the same, AC by AE. Right? Here you observe, or even we can take AD by AB. Right side also we should move the same, AE by AC. Similarly, DE by BC. So here by BPT, by using this, here I am taking AB by AD is equal to AC by AE. Clear? Here AB means full side of the bigger triangle, by AD means for the smaller triangle. Same way AC by AE. Right? So here this part is actually by BPT. This comes. So using which we have written in examination, we need not to mention this. Directly we can add the ratios. Now again let us come back here. AB. Here you see the given values. A to B. Here AD is 3. DB is 5. So we can take AB as 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5. Nothing but 8. So here AB is 8. So here I am taking in place of AB, I am taking here 8 by, or those who feel difficulty, okay, I can write for you in detail. AB can be written as AD plus DB. In that way also you can write AD plus DB by, let us write AD as it is, and here AC value is known, that is 5.6, AE value also known. Now let us substitute the given values here. AD, here AD is 3, DB is 5, so we can write as 3 plus 5, so it is 8. 8 by AD is equal to, here AD is 3. AD is already given, that is 3. So 8 by 3 is equal to AC is 5.6. 5.6 by AE, here I am taking as X. Either you take X or let us maintain AE as it is, no problem. So here you can write either X or AE. So here, okay, I am writing X to not to confuse you. So let us simplify. 8 into X is equal to 8X is equal to 3 into 5.6. 3 into 5.6. As we need X, X is equal to 3 into 5.6 divided by 8. This 8 comes down. So here 8 1s are 8 0.7s are, that is 5.6. So 3 into 0.7 is 2.1. So here X value is 2.1. Here you observe X is nothing but AE. Therefore here we can write AE is equal to 2.1. Here you see the unit centimeter. So this is also centimeter. So finally the required value of AE is 2.1 centimeter. Now we see example 2. In the given figure, LM is parallel to AB. Here you see this LM line parallel to AB. These two arrow marks indicate that they both are parallel to each other. AL equal to X minus 3. So let us note down these values in the given figure. AL equal to X minus 3. Here this is A, this is L. So here AL is X minus 3. AC is equal to 2X. So A to C, this full distance is 2X. BM is X minus 2. BM is X minus 2. BC is 2X plus 3. So B to C. So we can take this full distance BC as 2X plus 3. Then find the value of X. Here let us start the solution. in triangle CAB given LM parallel to AB. In triangle CAB given, or since we can write, given LM is parallel to AB. As we know, if we have parallel, we know that parallel implies ratios are equal. So this is based on BPT, basic proportionality theorem. So we can write by BPT the corresponding ratios are equal. That means here we can say that here you observe CL by LA equal to CM by MB. But the thing is that according to the given measurements, better we can take those ratios. So here you see AC is given, AL is given. Same way BC is given, BM is given. So let us take the corresponding sides. Here you see CA by AL. If we take here CA, nothing but AC also, C2A by LA, LA is equal to, same way here C, this side you see, if I go to C2A means starting to the ending, this side also starting to the ending, so C2B, so this is CB by, here from this point L to A, here from this point M to B, so it is MB, right? Here let us convert this ratio into the known ratio. Here you see CA, we know here AC, we can write CA as AC, and here LA is nothing but here AL, so here we can write AL is equal to CB, nothing but BC, and here MB nothing but BM. Let us substitute the given values. Here we can write AC means 2x, here AC is 2x, we can write it easily from the figure. AC is 2x by AL is x minus 3 is equal to BC is 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3 by BM, B to M is x minus 2, x minus 2. Now here let us do cross multiplication to simplify. So here we can write 2x into x minus 2 is equal to 2x plus 3 into x minus 3. 2x plus 3 into x minus 3, right? Now here we continue the problem. 2x into x is 2x square. 2x square minus, plus and minus the minus. 2x into 2, 2 2s are 4, so it is 4x minus 4x is equal to 2x into x is 2x square, plus into minus is minus, 2x into 3 is 3 2s are 6, so it is 6x, so minus 6x. Same way plus 3 into plus x is plus 3x, plus 3 into minus 3 is minus 9. So let us bring these terms either this side or send these terms that side. However you do, 2x square they get cancelled, right? Now here minus 4x is left, minus 6x plus 3x, that is minus 3x, here minus 9. Here you see 4x has a negative minus symbol, let us shift 4x that side. At the same time minus 9, let us move this side. So here what happens, minus 9 becomes plus 9 equal to minus 3x is as it is because we are not moving that, minus 4x becomes plus 4x. So it is simple, 9 is equal to 4x minus 3x is x. Therefore we can write x is equal to 9. Let us observe the question. If these are the given conditions, Find the value of x. Here x is equal to 9 is the final answer for this example 2.